Alright, what up guys, it's your boy Teza Boy. Alright, so in this episode I'll be showing you guys some of the stuff that we did to the E30's back end, that we removed the whole subframe with the diff, the control arms, everything. So we actually got the subframes bushings, the subframe bushings redone in polyurethane, and basically the control arms are gonna get cleaned up, the diff is gonna get sprayed, subframe is gonna get sprayed, and it's nothing fancy. I'm gonna be using tin spray. So that and a whole lot more. This is actually part 2 to the whole subframe removal and restoration. So make sure you check out part 1 so you can get up to speed, and as usual, go ahead and subscribe and make sure you click the bell so you can get regular updates. Alright, straight to it. Alright people, so basically we are pulling down the back end, and you can see I separated the arms already, control arms, rotors and the calipers. I'm gonna remove the axles and the diff because these bushings need to be replaced as well. I'm thinking about getting polyurethane bushings, make it firm, let's play so that it can handle the JZ power. People, what I go on, so this is the back end diff, or the E30 diff I should say. So you have multiple types of LSDs. You have the full limited where both wheels spin at the same time, this one under pressure it locks the other one, so yeah, it's kind of cool, we call it. So this, I'm going to drop it off with a mechanic. I was going to take it on myself, but I want it to be done properly, so yeah, I'm going to get the seals rechanged, service and everything. Alright people, so the subframe is now poly. I got them polyurethane, swapped out the torn out rubber bushings for polyurethane. So these are gonna be here for a while, and I'm gonna go ahead and pretty up this part with some thin spray. Yeah man, some professional thin spray, certified spray man right here. So stay tuned for that too.
A few moments later.
Alright, what up guys, what up? Alright, I'm here again with other parts of the back end for the E30, and I want to start getting it cleaned up. See, the bushings were put in. If you remember, in the previous clip, this bushing was torn out completely, so I got them polyurethane.
Where am I say? Where am I say?
Yep, they're not going anywhere for a while. Pretty solid stuff. So let me zoom in on a little bit of the grime. This is the best of it right now. It was horrible, filled with grease and grime, so I'm going to go ahead and clean it up. And here's the diff. Yep, pretty much it's kind of still greasy, a little bit of gear oil and stuff, so I'm gonna get that cleaned up so that the paint can, you know, stick better. And I'll be using tin spray, and this is another DIY, so it's something you can actually try at home. It's nothing too hard. I'm gonna be showing it. Alright people, so they are from evening at work, cleaning up the back end. This is the subframe. I finished the diff over there. The diff is already cleaned up, ready for spray. So yeah, I'm working with the greaser and wire brush, wire wheel for the drill, getting off some of the grease and grime.
One eternity later.
Alright people, bless up what I go on. It's your boy Teza boy, me there under the mango tree. Today we are going to be spraying up the subframe and the diff. So I'm going to show you guys what's going on right now. Alright guys, so basically this is the dip. It's already taped out and ready for spray. It's already sanded, and these are just some of the stuff I work with. I use this drill with the wire wheel brush, kind of get rid of some of the heavier parts, and I use this one to get in the little cribbits and corners. And then I start it off with it's a 240 grid sandpaper, and then I smooth it down with a 400. It's kind of, you know, underneath parts, so you don't need to wet sand and go 1000 grid sandpaper or anything. Alright, so instead of buying primer, I decided to use the flat black easy one touch spray, and then I'm gonna finish it off with the glossy paint. And this one is gonna be sealing it, and it's also heat resistant because you can see it's made for engine, so it's made to withstand heat. So these are some of the stuff I use. I have the greaser purple blast. This is the speed sensor, so I took it out for the diff. I don't want anything to happen to it. Use a wire brush, flat mount to get in some little corners, and of course impact wrench, which I use to move the diff from the subframe. So I'm gonna get right into it.